In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Oanda demo account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to oanda.com and you want to click on demo up top. And then when you hover over that, it's going to say open demo account. Click on that. And then you have to put in a few things. So your email address, your phone number, and then your password as well. And after you click on I have read and accept the terms and conditions, you will be able to click on open demo account, and after that basically what's going to happen is you're going to get sent a confirmation email to your email, and inside that email you'll be able to find your login and password to actually sign in. So this is what this is going to look like. It's going to say login and password for the demo account, and then you can see over here your login and your password. Password is going to be the same you selected, the login is going to be a different number. And then whenever you actually do this, you can just click on this button over here actually, which says login to Oanda TMS brokers. Or what you can also do is you can go ahead and click on these three lines up top, click on trade online, and then it's going to take you to their kind of version of MT5, the online one, where basically the first thing you're going to be able to see is going to be this box. You have to basically enter in the login from your email, your password, which you have, of course, created yourself, and then you can click connect to account, and then this is what you're going to see. You are now inside your demo account. Of course, you could also go ahead and go inside the TMS over here. The exact same procedure is going to have to be basically applied, and yeah, that's pretty much that. So if I go ahead and enter the password in here, click on connect to account, it's going to basically connect me to the pretty much same thing. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.